Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a larger menu with many items. So we first go in this start building your page. You can press this plus sign and here comes the create your own. You press there and then if you would like to show 3 menus in the same section, for that you just go in the bottom and find out the column, and now you just copy this column. On the right side arrow you just press, there is a duplicate button appears, you press it here. Now you have 3 boxes where you can put 3 menus. So to put the menus in each boxes we have to just find out the menu button. How we do that? We just press plus sign and then we search the element menu and the menu just comes here. And then here as well we search the element menu and the menu comes here as well. You take it there. So and finally there is another way you can do it. Just make this menu a copy and just delete this one. So now you have 3 menus, though they are the same because it has already taken the menu that was preset or that is in the first position. So where you find the different menus, you just go here and go in this section. And now you can see there is something called menu. Here in the drop down you can choose the menu that has already built, and in another video I will show you how to build a menu, but now as I'm assuming that you know how to build a menu. So I have built 4 menus. One is COL1, COL2, COL3. So in the first column I am taking COL1, so it was already preset, that's why you don't see any change. So in the second one I take the second menu. Now you can see a change. And the third one, I take the third menu. So in each menu there are different items showing. So this is how you can build. You can bring 2 to 3 menus in the same section. Thank you very much.